Do you know where are the four tallest landmarks located in Shanghai? Let me help you to answer this.
The Oriental Pearl TV Tower, or known as Dongfang Mingzhu, with a height of 468 meters, is the fourth highest in Asia and the sixth highest tower in the world. It's an iconic landmark in Shanghai. It has three main sightseeing floors, equipped with a space capsule, glass-bottom sightseeing corridor, VR experience, Shanghai Urban History Development Exhibition Hall, Municipal History Museum, the Oriental Pearl Science Fantasy World, and a revolving restaurant, which is the second highest dining area in Asia. The tower is one of the most symbolic venues and tourism resources in Shanghai. Skyscrapers are symbols for the modern metropolis. When it comes to Shanghai, there's no reason to miss the eye-catching Lujiazui Skyline, which consists of three super skyscrapers: Shanghai Qingmai Tower, Shanghai World Financial Center, and Shanghai Tower. These three buildings are not only landmarks in the city, but also represent both Shanghai and China's development in the past 3 decades.
These buildings are located in the Lujiazui district in Pudong, a major hub and a symbol of China's immense economic growth, often called the Wall Street of China. And why is that? Because it's the largest financial center, with more than 400 banks and financial institutions from both home and abroad. The four tallest buildings, the Oriental Pearl Tower just behind me, the Qingmai Tower, the Shanghai World Financial Center, and the Shanghai Tower, by the way, is the second tallest building in the world, they are constructed next to each other, creating the iconic skyline of Pudong.